Tumor infiltrating lymphocytes, as the name says, are lymphocytes infiltrating the tumor, and their quantification is often involved in different pathology scorings. So as anything that has to be counted visually or manually, however we want to call it, on a slide, it is prone to human error. So why not use image analysis for that? So how would we approach an image analysis solution that detects tumor infiltrating lymphocytes? Well, there were people who thought about it before me, and they were a lot better with image analysis than me. They took part in the Tiger Challenge. This was a challenge to quantify, to score tumor infiltrating lymphocytes in breast cancer. And we can totally use their approach when building our algorithm in Aforia. So here's what happened. We have our input image, we have our ground truth, which was manually annotated, and we have our prediction from the model. So what did we annotate here? What are the classes that we're going to be looking for? It's going to be tumor, stroma, and everything else. So if we wanted to design our hierarchical layer tree, first we would go and detect tissue and non-tissue. Then within the tissue, we would look for tumor, meaning tumor epithelium, stroma, the connective tissue in between the tumor epithelium, and everything else, like here on this image, adipose tissue. That would be step one, where we would want to detect regions. So we would use the semantic segmentation approach. And then within those regions, we would look for lymphocytes. So let's look at this image. So here on this image, green ones are the true positives, blue ones are false negatives, and yellow ones are false positives. Here, efficient UNet fully convolutional neural network was used, but this approach can be replicated in image analysis software like Aforia with the correct setup of different layers. So region detection or so-called semantic segmentation for tissue, and then within the tissue, tumor, stroma, and everything else. And then within tumor and stroma, detection of the lymphocytes. And with this approach, we can detect and quantify, count the lymphocytes within tumor epithelium and within stroma.